Hi everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. Today I'm going to show you how to have animated wallpaper in Windows 10, and I'll guide you through each step to get it set up easily. Step 1. Open your browser and search for Lively Wallpaper by Roxanister. This is a free and open source application that lets you have live wallpapers on your Windows 10 desktop. Step 2. Go to the Lively Wallpaper website and click the download button. You can choose to get it from the Microsoft Store or download it directly. Both options work the same way. Step 3. Once it's installed, go to your taskbar, click the up arrow, right-click on the Lively Wallpaper application, and select Open Lively. This will launch the app so you can start setting your animated wallpaper. Step 4. In the Lively Wallpaper app, you can select a pre-installed wallpaper or click the plus sign, plus at the top to add a new one. This allows you to customize your desktop exactly how you want it. Step 5. You can either browse for a video file on your computer, enter a YouTube URL, or click More Wallpapers to download from the Lively Wallpaper subreddit. This gives you tons of options for animated backgrounds. Step 6. If you're using a YouTube video, paste the link in the input field and click the arrow to process it. The app will take a moment to prepare the video as your wallpaper. Step 7. Leave the title and description as default and click OK to set the wallpaper. Your animated wallpaper is now active and you can enjoy a lively desktop. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more tips and tricks.